How do businesses today address social and environmental responsibilities? This video explores the multifaceted nature of corporate social responsibility, known as CSR. Discover how companies integrate these practices into their core operations. Corporate social responsibility refers to practices and policies aimed at making a positive societal impact. These go beyond legal requirements and focus on ethical business operations. CSR includes fair employee treatment, responsible sourcing, and honest communication. It also involves contributing to community development. Businesses are encouraged to integrate social and environmental concerns into their strategies. Environmental sustainability is a key issue in CSR. Companies must minimize their environmental footprint by adopting sustainable practices. This includes reducing emissions, managing waste, and conserving resources. The Paris Agreement guides businesses in aligning with global sustainability goals. For example, Unilever's Sustainable Living Plan aims to reduce environmental impact while enhancing social impact. Ensuring ethical labor practices is crucial for businesses. This includes fair wages, safe conditions, and eliminating child and forced labor. Companies must uphold human rights and promote workforce diversity. Nike faced criticism for its supply chain practices, but now enforces stricter oversight. Transparency and regular audits are vital for maintaining ethical standards. Community engagement is an essential aspect of CSR. Businesses contribute to socioeconomic development through philanthropy and volunteerism. Supporting local education and healthcare initiatives is common. Starbucks, for instance, focuses on youth empowerment and economic opportunities. This builds strong community ties and fosters positive stakeholder relationships. Transparency in business operations builds stakeholder trust. Companies must communicate honestly about their practices and performance. Accurate reporting of CSR activities is expected, often through sustainability reports. Patagonia is known for its commitment to transparency and accountability. Their detailed supply chain information exemplifies this dedication. Good governance and ethical conduct are integral to CSR. This involves combating corruption and adhering to legal standards. Companies must align actions with societal ethical expectations. Governance frameworks promote ethical behavior and compliance. BP, for example, has a code of conduct covering anti-bribery and fair competition. The UK has a regulatory framework for CSR ensuring businesses operate responsibly. It includes regulations addressing social, environmental, and economic issues. ISO 26000 offers voluntary guidance on social responsibility. Environmental protection laws like the Climate Change Act set emission reduction targets. Human rights and employment legislation ensure fair treatment and compliance. Environmental issues are a critical aspect of CSR. Businesses adopt practices to mitigate their environmental footprint. Recycling policies reduce waste and conserve resources. Sustainability ensures long-term viability of ecosystems. Companies move towards biodegradable packaging to minimize environmental impact. Social and community issues are integral to CSR. They address the impact of business operations on society. Employing socially disadvantaged individuals enhances diversity. Sponsorship supports community events and enhances reputation. Volunteering builds stronger community ties and corporate image. Reducing carbon footprints is crucial for environmental impact. Companies can improve energy efficiency to reduce emissions. Transitioning to renewable energy sources is vital. Sustainable transportation methods lower emissions. Carbon offsetting through projects captures or reduces emissions. Supporting social enterprises contributes to social development. Financial investment helps them scale operations. Procurement policies prioritize purchasing from social enterprises. Capacity building through training improves operations. Partnerships and collaborations lead to mutually beneficial outcomes. Attitudes towards CSR have evolved significantly. CSR is now seen as a strategic investment. It offers growth opportunities and engages customers. Committed leadership integrates CSR into core strategy. Innovation through CSR drives new products and efficiency. CSR benefits small businesses beyond ethical considerations. It enhances reputation and fosters customer loyalty. Sustainable practices lead to cost savings and efficiency. Employee engagement improves morale and retention. CSR opens access to new markets and opportunities. CSR initiatives enhance a business's reputation. Customers support businesses with ethical practices. This fosters loyalty and trust. A positive public image differentiates a business from competitors. A local cafe sourcing fair trade coffee attracts environmentally conscious customers. Sustainable practices reduce operational costs. Energy efficiency lowers utility bills. Waste reduction improves profitability. A manufacturing company investing in energy-efficient machinery saves on costs. This also reduces their carbon footprint. Employees seek workplaces reflecting their values. CSR initiatives boost morale and retention. Engaged employees are more productive. Businesses offering volunteer days foster pride and belonging. This reduces turnover and enhances productivity. CSR opens doors to new markets and opportunities. Consumers prefer partnering with responsible companies. This attracts new customer segments. An eco-friendly clothing brand partners with larger retailers. This expands their market reach. CSR practices help manage risks and ensure compliance. Proactive compliance prevents legal issues. Meeting regulatory standards protects against penalties. A construction firm adhering to regulations avoids fines. This enhances their reputation and resilience. CSR strengthens community ties and generates goodwill. Supporting local causes builds strong relations. Engaging with the community leads to local partnerships. A restaurant donating to shelters builds community relations. This fosters customer loyalty and support. In conclusion, understanding current corporate social responsibility, CSR, issues facing businesses is essential for recognizing the growing expectations placed on organizations by society, consumers, and stakeholders. Modern CSR challenges include environmental sustainability, ethical supply chains, diversity and inclusion, community impact, and responsible governance. By being aware of these issues, businesses can respond proactively, reduce risks, and build trust with stakeholders. A strong understanding of CSR enables organizations to operate responsibly, enhance their reputation, and contribute positively to society while achieving long-term success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.